Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, identify your laptop model and whether it uses SATA or NVMe. 2. Because form factor dictates compatibility. Once confirmed, back up critical data and make a recovery drive so you can restore if something goes wrong. Grab tools, small Phillips, ESD strap, and the replacement SSD plus an external USB enclosure for cloning. While you remove the battery or disconnect power, make sure to discharge static and note screw locations so reassembly is seamless. You now perform the core task. If cloning, connect the new SSD in the enclosure and run sector-level clone to preserve partitions and bootloader. Verify target capacity is adequate first. Once cloning completes, power down and open the laptop. Remove the panel, unscrew mounting hardware, and seat the SSD at the correct angle until it clicks, secure with screws. After closing, boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the drive appears. Set SATA to OSI for performance, and move the new drive to top of boot order. You finish by booting into the operating system and confirming the new SSD is healthy. Check Smart, partition alignment, and enable trim for longevity. Once satisfied, repurpose the old drive as an external or secondary internal and update SSD firmware plus OS storage drivers. If you don't get a boot, stop and verify the clone completed successfully. Make sure BIOS sees the drive and boot priority is correct. Confirm SATA or NVMe mode is set properly, and reseat the connector. These steps fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.